Luxury cars after warranty usually cost thousands in repairs, and these 10 Mercedes models are the worst offenders. Stay tuned to find out which popular SUV hides a transmission-destroying flaw, and which '1 model has an engine defect so common it's nicknamed the Piston Cracker, a $10,000 repair bill. Number 10. Mercedes-Benz EQE 2023 to present, the software beta test. Kicking off our list is a modern and perhaps controversial entry, the all-electric Mercedes-Benz EQE. When new, the base model EQE 350 Plus had a starting MSRP of around $76,050. For that price, you get a sedan with a single rear motor, producing 288 horsepower and 391 pound-feet of torque. It's certainly surprising to see a nearly new electric vehicle on a list about high-mileage problems, but the EQE earns its spot for a new generation of automotive headaches. These aren't the greasy mechanical failures of old. Instead, early adopters, who paid a significant premium for cutting-edge EV technology, have found themselves acting as beta testers for the car's complex software. The primary complaints center on persistent and frustrating software glitches. These aren't just minor annoyances. Owners report everything from the massive hyper-screen infotainment system freezing completely to critical driver assistance features failing unexpectedly. There are reports of charging sessions that inexplicably stop and drivetrain software errors that can put the car into a reduced power mode or cause a loss of propulsion. What makes this particularly infuriating is that these are not problems you can diagnose or fix at home. They require time-consuming and frequent trips to the dealership for software updates that may or may not solve the problem. Beyond the digital gremlins, some owners have reported disappointing build quality for a car in this price bracket, citing interior rattles and a general feeling that the fit and finish doesn't live up to the standards set by the three-pointed star. While the electric powertrain itself is proving to be characteristically silent and smooth, the early ownership experience has been a mixed bag, proving that modern unreliability can be digital, not just mechanical. But while the EQE's problems are digital, our next entry features a mechanical failure so catastrophic, it's been nicknamed the transfer case grenade. Number 9. Mercedes-Benz GLK-Class 2010 to 2012, the transfer case grenade. At number 9, we have the boxy and distinctive GLK-Class, particularly the early models. The 2010 GLK 350 featured a 3.5-liter V6 with 268 horsepower and had an original MSRP starting at $36,600. This compact SUV was a hit for its rugged looks, but it hides a catastrophic and extremely expensive flaw deep in its drivetrain: transfer case failure. The issue stems from prematurely wearing bearings inside the transfer case, which is integrated directly into the 7-speed 7G-tronic transmission housing. Once these bearings fail, they can shatter, sending metal fragments through the entire transmission and destroying it from the inside out. The repair is a certified nightmare because the transfer case is not a separate, bolt-on part. The entire transmission and transfer case assembly must be replaced, a job that can easily run over $7,000 at a dealership. On top of this mechanical weak point, the diesel-powered GLK 250 BlueTEC models from this era are also known for a constant stream of expensive emission system problems, including failing NOx sensors and AdBlue heater units that will trigger a check engine light and can even prevent the vehicle from starting. It's a stylish SUV with a potentially wallet-emptying secret. And speaking of wallet emptying, our number 8 spot goes to a car marketed as an affordable dream, but which quickly turned into a financial nightmare for many. Number 8. Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 2014 to 2016, the budget-busting coupe. Our 8th spot goes to a car that brought the sleek 4-door coupe silhouette to a more accessible price point, the early CLA 250, with a starting MSRP of $32,050 for the 2016 model. It seemed like a bargain. Under the hood is the M270 engine, a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that produces 208 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. It was brilliantly marketed as an affordable entry into the world of luxury, but many first and second owners discovered that affordable luxury can come with terrifyingly unaffordable repairs. The CLA 250 is known to suffer from timing chain stretching problems that plague other Mercedes 4-cylinders. But the powertrain headaches don't stop there. The M270 engine can also be prone to premature turbocharger failure, another repair that easily runs into the thousands. To make matters worse, the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, DCT, used in these early models, developed a reputation for jerky low-speed shifts, hesitation from a stop, and in a significant number of cases, outright failure of the transmission control unit, or internal clutch packs. A complete transmission replacement is another multi-thousand-dollar repair bill. Owners who were drawn in by the car's seductive styling were often left completely stunned by repair bills that were anything but budget-friendly, turning their affordable dream car into a financial nightmare. But if you think an engine and transmission problem is bad, wait until you hear about the massive oil leak that's practically a guaranteed failure on our number 7 pick. Number 7. Mercedes-Benz ML/GLE 350 BlueTECs, 2012 to 2019. The leaking diesel. The number 7 spot belongs to the popular W166 generation of the M-Class, which was later renamed the GLE-Class in 2015. Specifically, we're focusing on the V6 diesel models. The 2012 ML350 BlueTEC had a starting price of $50,490. It's powered by the OM64 2V6 turbo diesel, a 3-liter engine making 240 horsepower, and a stout 455 pound-feet of torque. These SUVs are known for a critical engine design flaw that is almost guaranteed to fail: the oil cooler seals. Tucked deep in the valley of the engine, the rubber seals for the engine oil cooler are known to degrade from heat cycles, causing a massive oil leak. The part itself is inexpensive, but the labor to replace it is not. The job requires removing the intake manifold, turbocharger, and a host of other components to access the leak, often resulting in a repair bill of $3,000 or more. On top of this, these SUVs suffer from the usual expensive Mercedes problems. The airmatic air suspension system is a frequent point of failure, with leaking air springs and burnt-out compressors, leading to a sagging vehicle and another 4-figure repair bill. Combine that with a laundry list of failing electronic sensors, and you have a luxury family vehicle that can become a serious financial drain. But as bad as a major oil leak is, the problem plaguing our number 6 model is an endless cycle of failures that will have you on a first-name basis with your mechanic. Number 6. Mercedes-Benz E-Class BlueTEC 2011 to 2016. The emissions system nightmare. Entering the top half of our list is the handsome W212 E-Class, but specifically the diesel-powered BlueTEC models. A 2011 E350 BlueTEC, with its 3-liter turbo diesel V6, started at an MSRP of $50,900. That V6 engine produced 210 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, while the OM64 2V6 is known for its oil cooler leaks. The real nightmare for owners of both the V6 and the 4-cylinder diesels is the complex and fragile emissions control system. These systems are a constant source of check engine lights and expensive repairs, particularly after 80,000 miles. Owners face an endless and costly cycle of replacing failed components just to keep the car on the road and pass inspections. The AdBlue heater is a common failure point that can cost over $1,000 to replace. When NOx sensors fail, they can run between $500 and $800 each, and the car has several of them. Clogged diesel particulate filters, DPFS, and failing selective catalytic reduction, SCR pumps add thousands more to the potential repair costs. For many owners, the constant deluge of warning lights and 5-figure repair bills for the emissions system alone makes these otherwise excellent long-distance cruisers an ownership nightmare. And while emission systems are frustrating, our number 5 vehicle packs a twin-turbo V8 with a list of engine problems so expensive, it has earned the title of a true money pit. We're not even halfway through our list, and the potential repair bills are already enough to make your wallet ache. If you've ever owned one of these models, or have a Mercedes horror story of your own, share it in the comments below. Your experience might be the warning that saved someone else from making a very costly mistake. And if you're finding this information valuable, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the top 5 most unreliable models. Number 5. Mercedes-Benz GL/GL S550 2013 to 2019. The V8 powered money pit. At number 5, we have the giant 3-row luxury SUV, the X166 GL-Class, and its facelifted successor, the GLS. A 2019 GLS 550 had a starting MSRP of $95,750. We're zeroing in on the 550 models, equipped with the 4.7-liter twin-turbo M278 V8 engine. This motor produced an effortless 429 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque in early models, 2013 to 2016, which was bumped to 449 horsepower and 516 pound-feet for the 2017 to 2019 GLS 550 facelift, but it's infamous for a cascade of tremendously expensive engine problems. The most common issue is premature timing chain wear, often caused by the failure of plastic chain tensioners and guides. The first sign is a startup rattle that, if ignored, can lead to catastrophic engine failure. Making matters worse, these engines are known for failing valve stem seals, which causes the engine to consume huge amounts of oil and produce plumes of blue smoke from the exhaust. Add in a supporting cast of leaking plastic turbo coolant lines, failing air suspension systems, and a host of complex electronic issues, and you have a recipe for a true money pit. A single one of these major engine repairs can easily cost over $10,000, turning this ultimate family hauler into the ultimate financial burden. But a big V8 isn't the only engine with issues. Our number 4 spot goes to a popular, smaller sedan with a ticking time bomb under the hood that can destroy the engine with almost no warning. Number 4. Mercedes-Benz C250 2012 to 2014. The Rattling Turbo. Cracking our top 4 is the handsome and still modern-looking W204 C-Class, but specifically models manufactured between 2012 and 2014. A 2012 C250 Sport sedan started at $34,800. These cars offer a tempting combination of style and badge prestige, but they can be hiding a very expensive secret. The C250, in particular, used the 1.8-liter M271 turbo engine with 201 horsepower, which carried over a fatal flaw: timing chain stretch. The problem is so common that many Mercedes specialists view it as an eventual certainty, not a random failure. The chain elongates over time due to material weakness and heat cycles. The first and most crucial sign is a distinct metallic rattle from the front of the engine for a few seconds on a cold start. If that warning is ignored, the chain can jump a tooth on the sprockets, causing the pistons and valves to collide and effectively destroying the engine. What's so incredibly frustrating for owners is that this failure can happen even to cars that have been meticulously maintained with regular oil changes. The repair costs are steep and often shocking. An independent shop might quote over $5,500 for a preventative timing chain and gear replacement. If the engine has already suffered damage, you could be looking at a bill upwards of $7,000 for a rebuild or replacement. It's a stark warning that even a well-cared-for Mercedes can have a ticking time bomb lurking deep within its engine. As scary as that sounds, the failure in our number 3 car is even more insidious, caused by a fundamental mistake in engineering that sends metal shavings throughout the entire engine. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz E350 2010 to 2011. The ticking time bomb. Taking the bronze medal is one of the most popular and respected luxury sedans on the road. The W212 E350 from 2010 to 2011. When new, a 2010 E350 had a base price of $48,600. These cars are the absolute poster children for the infamous M272 V6 engine, a 3.5-liter unit that produced 268 horsepower. In a catastrophic error of material science, Mercedes used a soft, improperly hardened metal for the balance shaft sprockets. As the miles accumulated, the timing chain would literally grind the teeth off the sprocket. As the gear teeth wore away, they sent a constant shower of fine metal shavings into the engine oil, contaminating the entire lubrication system. The very first sign is almost always a check engine light, typically with fault codes P0016 or P0017, indicating a camshaft and crankshaft correlation error. If left unaddressed, a distinct rattling noise develops as the timing chain slack increases. The repair is a massive job. It requires the engine to be partially or fully removed from the car and can cost anywhere from $3,500 to over $8,000, depending on the shop and the extent of the damage. It is worth noting that later, W212 models from 2012 onwards switched to the M276 engine, which does not suffer from this balance shaft issue. However, these early 2010 to 2011 examples with the M272 engine still represent a potential risk for buyers, though most units fall outside the critical engine serial number range, below 2729.30468993. That was most affected, but incredibly, an even more expensive engine flaw plagues our number 2 pick, a car that was supposed to be the absolute pinnacle of Mercedes-Benz luxury. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz S550/CL-550 2012 to 2017. The Flagship's fatal flaw. Taking the silver medal are the brand's flagship sedan and 4-door coupe, the S550 and CLS550. A 2017 CLS550 started at an MSRP of $74,850, while the 2017 S550 sedan started at $96,600. The CLS550, with its 4.7-liter twin-turbo V8, producing 402 horsepower, and the S550, with the same engine producing 449 horsepower, represented the pinnacle of luxury and technology, but they share the deeply flawed M278 twin-turbo V8 engine. This engine came with a host of catastrophic failure points. As with the related GL and GLS models, these engines are notorious for premature timing, chain wear, and tensioner failure. A brief rattle on startup is the terrifying first sign that an engine-out repair costing upwards of $10,000 is on the horizon. What makes this especially egregious is its presence in the Flagship S-Class. These engines also suffer from faulty valve stem seals that lead to embarrassing clouds of blue smoke and massive oil consumption. Furthermore, the plastic coolant lines that run to the turbochargers are known to become brittle and crack, causing major coolant leaks that can lead to overheating and engine damage. When these problems occur on cars that represented the best Mercedes had to offer, it's a particularly bitter pill for owners to swallow, turning their dream car into a certified nightmare. However, even that catastrophic V8 flaw can't top our #1 spot. It goes to one of the most common modern Mercedes models on the road, which suffers from an engine defect so sudden and severe, it's known as the piston cracker. Number 1. Mercedes-Benz C300/G LC300. 2015 to 2018, the piston cracker. And here we are. The #1 most unreliable Mercedes-Benz model after 80,000 miles is a car you see absolutely everywhere. The W205 C300 and its SUV sibling, the GLC300. From the 2015 to 2018 model years, the 2018 GLC300 started at an MSRP of $40,050. This car tragically combined some of the worst reliability problems into one stylish but deeply problematic package. It is powered by the M274 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, which makes 241 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque, but has developed a widespread and serious reputation for catastrophic internal failures. A shocking number of these engines are known for a critical piston failure. A design or material weakness can lead to the pistons cracking, often around the wrist pin. This causes an immediate and severe loss of compression in one or more cylinders. The engine will suddenly start running rough, misfiring, shaking violently, and can fail completely with very little warning. Terrifyingly, owners who have followed their maintenance schedules to the letter have found themselves on the side of the road, facing a complete engine replacement that can cost well over $10,000. Because these piston failures can be sudden, catastrophic, and occur even on well-maintained cars, the 2015 to 2018 C300 and GLC300 earn the unfortunate and undisputed top spot on our list. Think that $1 million price tag guarantees a world-class supercar? Some of the most expensive cars are all flex and no substance. We'll show you which ones are shockingly overpriced and not worth the money. Click here to watch our previous video, 10 most overpriced supercars that aren't worth the flex, and see for yourself.